guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Easy Anti-Cheat on Windows 11. This is useful if you're getting an error saying something like, Easy Anti-Cheat isn't installed when trying to launch your games. Let's get started. Method 1. Install from the game folder. First, open the game client where you're having issues. For example, if it's a Steam game, open Steam. If it's from Epic Games, launch the Epic Games Launcher. Now go to the Library tab. Right-click the game you're having problems with, for example VRChat, Apex Legends, or Fortnite. Click Manage, then browse Local Files. This will open your game's installation folder. Now look for a folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. If you don't see it, try using the search bar at the top to find it. Once you find it, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Look for a file called easyanticheat_setup.exe. Right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. One of two things will happen, or it may open and close instantly. That's fine too. In that case, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Manual install from Program Files. Go to your C drive, then open Program Files x86. Scroll down and find the folder named Easy Anti-Cheat. Double-click it, then double-click the easyanticheat.exe file. In the window that pops up, use the drop-down to select the game you're having issues with, like Fortnite. Then click Install Easy Anti-Cheat. You should get a message saying it was installed successfully. Try launching the game again. It should work now. Optional. You can also try clicking on Repair Service instead of Install if it's already installed. This sometimes fixes corrupted files. Method 3. Delete corrupted Easy Anti-Cheat folder. If it's still not working, here's the last fix. Go back to the folder you opened earlier and look for a folder called Easy Anti-Cheat_EOS. Right-click it and click the trash icon, or press Delete, to remove it. Now head back to Steam or Epic Games, right-click on your game again, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait a few minutes while it checks and repairs any missing files. Once the process is complete, try launching your game again. That's it. Easy Anti-Cheat should now be installed and working properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you still have issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.